Publishers are generating as much as $400 per web story per month. Sounds too good, right? You see, web stories generate more impressions than a text article and are a great source to generate revenue from. Today, let's look at how you can monetize web stories. Web stories are bite-sized snippets of captivating content like short news articles, engaging tutorials, or visually stunning product presentation, all presented in a mobile-friendly format that keeps viewers glued to their screen. Think of them like Instagram stories. But the best part is that they don't expire after 24 hours. There are 3 ways that you can monetize web stories: advertisements, affiliate links, and sponsored story. There is one more bonus tip. Keep watching for that. Display ads is the most common way of advertisements for websites. Web stories can also be monetized similarly. You can use Google AdSense or Google Ad Manager or even a custom ad to start monetizing. Web stories can run AMP ads. Now these are responsive and can run on any mobile device that readers are using. You'll need to create an ad unit in AdSense or GAM and embed it in your web story. If you want me to show you exact steps on how you can go about doing it, drop a comment and I'll make an explainer video for you. Just like display ads, you will get paid for every impression that an ad embedded in your web story gets. If you're already running display ads on your website, this opens up a new avenue for monetizing. You can also track ad performance in AdSense or GAM to know how much revenue it's generating. Affiliate marketing. Just like you would place an affiliate link in an article to promote a product and earn a commission, you can replicate it with web stories. Since web stories allow you to add a CTA to a page, you can add an affiliate link here that will redirect the user to the product. Now, if your reader goes ahead and makes a purchase from the link, you earn a commission on that sale. Now, small tip here, partner with brands that are relevant to your audience. You can also promote products that you have already tested. Now, this works great in terms of tech websites that review consumer technology. Sponsored content. Sponsored articles, also known as advertorials, are very common and publishers across niches use it to generate revenue. A sponsored article typically promotes a product or a service offered by the advertiser. Similarly, a web story can be created with the primary intention of promoting a brand's product. This will allow you to charge the brand for the web story and deliver good impressions on it. Ensure that you clearly mention sponsored content in the web story so that your readers are aware that it is sponsored. Now for the bonus tip. You can use web stories as a hook to bring users in for premium and paid content. For example, if you have an exclusive story or an in-depth analysis report that you've published, you can use web stories to draw users in by using a few catchy slides, ultimately adding a CTA to your premium content, or even paywall for that matter, where users will have to subscribe or pay for the content. Remember, the key to success with web stories lies in creating high quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience.